Okay, 100 in. Let's see what we get. Oh, come on. No, don't do this. Yeah, it feels like one of these. Feels like one of these. Oh, thank you. Late bloomer. There you go. Come on. Stick it, stick it. Thank you. Come on, stick it. Stick one. Come on. Last spin. There you go. Yeah, it never filled up though, huh? Yeah, I guess.
We wouldn't be playing them if they didn't.
Come on, yeah. Not bad. I'll take it. Let's see if it has a little more love. I don't think so. One more.
Mine don't love me. Good luck to you.
You too, thank you. Alright, last one and I'll do a quick, double up. Good for me. Cash out, yes. See you in the next one, guys. Alright, just put 100 in. EUREKA Real Blast. It's the high limit version. Here's the progressives. The major resets at 10. That's pretty up there. Alright, here we go. Give me all the voodoo and all the juju and all that good stuff. Come on. I feel like speeding it up is going to jinx it somehow. Meanwhile, I think this whole bonus round is all predetermined. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, one of these days somebody will find out and say something, right? Or maybe not. Alright, put 100 in though. 10-cent denomination, $5 a spin, down to $22.40. So if I at least get my money back by the bonus. Yeah, I will. I should. Got 8 spins to go. This is the one Locket Lane game I like where you get 12 free games for landing 3 of them. That's pretty good. Yeah, I speeded it up. Got nothing. See? Oh no. Bonus in it? Oh. I'd love to get the bonus in a bonus. Almost. Alright, I'm officially up. 3 spins to go. So what can I profit out of this? Two spins to go. Profit out of this. Dynamite blocked me on that one. Last spin. Gonna be sweet. I'm leaving this one alone. Isn't that many lines? Shouldn't take much. There you go. Yeah, they make a difference. Alright, I'm up. So I'll play it down to my 100 and see if I get anything else. If not, I walk away with free entertainment. Two more. Last one. And that's it for me. Free entertainment. I'm out. See you next one. Alright, here's the progressives. Cats, hats, and more bats. Just put 100 in and I'm laying like a baby dollar bet. That's fine with me. You can land any one of those for any bet. Let's hope. Thank you. Alright now. Connect one. Last spin. I'll put 100 in until I get out of it, right? Not too bad anymore. No, I don't think it does. Just change it to nickels. Play a couple of the nickel ones. See what happens with the nickels. Hopefully something soon. Oh, maybe. Thought maybe, huh? Come on. I'm not feeling it, guys. I'm not feeling it. Gotta go with your feeling, right? Yeah, I don't feel this one. I mean, hope it proves me wrong. I'll play a little bit more, but not feeling it. Yeah, that's it for me, I guess. Oop. Lay it down now. Give it a few more spins. Not feeling it. Last one for me. Well, please. Minis are 50. Anyway, alright, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to collect it out of here. Just not feeling it, man. I'm not going to play, you know, miserable, right? Okay, see you next one, guys. We'll play Bass and Drums Explosion. I put 80 bucks in. They got the bonus, the pot close. So let's go. Yep. I did it blind. I closed my eyes and just swiped it over. $21.99. Alright, well I'm close to even then. 72. Put 80 bucks in, we'll see what happens. I'm going back and forth. This is only one cent machine. You can go from 88 cents, 188, 288, 588, and 10. So I've just been playing around. Alright, I'll come back if I get anything. Hopefully I do. Hopefully I see you soon. Alright, I just sat down, put 100 in. Playing Moon Race. Lightning Link, Moon Race. Maxed out major at 1,000. So I just put it 100 in, just wanted to feel it out. Played a couple of 2-cent spins, now penny. Got the bonus. Let's see what it does. Nothing. Come on now, 10 spins, that's nice. Some of them give you only 6, you know? So that's nice. Retrigger? Oh. Retrigger? Again. Retrigger, please. Well, that looks pretty nice. Yeah, 14, that's not bad. I'm only betting $1, right? So, how much can I expect? $8 of 10. 9 of 10. Last one. The hold and spin thing feature. That's what I like always better. I don't like the free games. You know, they can pay nice. Don't get me wrong, but you just sit there and watch it. There's nothing really do. You're not pushing any buttons. So anyway, yeah, I'll play around for a little bit. I might go up to nickels or 10 cents. Couple of spins, see what happens. Alright, well, I'll come back if I get anything. Well, I got it again. Not the hold spin, unfortunately. But anyway, this is nickel denomination. 125 a spin. See what I get. Give me a hold and spin, please. Oh, darn, that would have been nice. That could have been really nice. Retrigger? No. Retrigger? Oh, I just slipped by. Just slipped by. 6 of 10. Oh, come on. 7 of 10. Of 10. Yes, thank you. That's what I wanted. Okay, you know, you can even keep the other 2 spins that's left. That's what I wanted. Come on, baby. This major is maxed out, but I'm not chasing it. It just looks nice, you know? Oh, crap. Come on, give me one. Stick it, stick it. Ow. Ew. You know, do something else, man. Where she goes, right? Alright. Put it in there. Go ahead, give me the other ones. Do it again. Ooh, minus 250. Nice. Thank you. I love these hold and spins. Come on. There you go. Ooh. Come on. Come on. on, baby. Now you can do another one. You got another one in you. I feel it. You have another one in you. No, you don't. I didn't feel it. Just talking shit. Oh, the trumpets are going. That's always a good sound. There you go. Beautiful. Put 100 in. Oh, another one. I forgot. All right. Put 100 in. 350. Whoops, sorry. Put 100 in. 358. So let's do nickels a little bit more. See if it's got warmed up. Maybe that major's ready to drop. Come on. What can we do here, guys? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try. Let's go up 10 cents. It's $2.50 a spin. So we'll try it for a little bit. I'm not going below 3, that's for sure. Now the easy triple up. Oh, that's $35. One more. And he's wild. The astronaut dude. That moon race symbol is 3 of those is for the bonus, and then 6 balls with numbers on them. Typical Lock It Link. Try a couple of 5s. Ooh. 5's not my friend, huh? Alright, let's go back to the other. Go back to 250. Alright, guys, I'll spare you the spin by spin. I'll come back if I get anything. Okay, see you soon, hopefully. Well, I was playing down to 3. I'm thinking, let me go to the penny, so I'm playing 50 cents. Hey, don't laugh, okay? Because, I can get anything on this. Any one of those if I get the holding spin, so don't laugh. You shut up. Come on, holding spin. Oh. Retrigger. Come on. Don't do me like that. 5 or 10. 6 of 10. Alright. 8 of 10. 9 of 10. Crap. Last one. Last spin. Mean. Alright. I'm still playing the pennies for a little bit. Still playing the pennies. Three. Oh. Song's a little loud in the background. I hope it doesn't catch me and I gotta put a song and a little tune in the background to drown it out. It's quiet now. Doesn't matter to me. I'm getting out at 3. Triple up, and I was fine with that. So I was trying to hope I get a little something. A little extra something. No. 2 more 3. Alright. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm probably getting out now, actually. I'll see. Ooh. 850. That was nice. I'll play it up. And I'm trying to spare you guys the, reel by reel, spin by spin. Most of you guys, I think, want to watch not the struggle. You want to watch just the reward, right? Almost there. 306. 4 more spins after this. Nope. 3 more. Now I go to 50 cents. Come on, you can do it. Got a couple more, but you can do it. Last one. Come on. Damn it. Doesn't matter. I'm disappointed today. See you next one, guys.